Good morning, students. Today's class we will solve questions from inverse trigonometric functions. Good morning, all of you. So in our previous class we have learned the formulas of inverse trigonometric function. So few formulas I am recalling. First one is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. When both the functions are sine inverse, and when these numbers are different, x and y, then what will be the formula? It is equals to sin inverse x into root under 1 minus y square plus y into root under 1 minus x square. When here it is plus sign, then inside also here it will be plus sign. If it is minus sin inverse x minus sin inverse y, then it will be sin inverse x into root under 1 minus y square minus y into root under 1 minus x square. Similarly, we have formula of cos also, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Here the formula will be cos inverse xy. For plus sign, here we have minus xy minus root under 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. And here if it is minus sign, then we have cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equals to cos inverse. Inside it will be plus sign. So in case of cos, reverse will be there. For minus we have inside here plus, and for plus we have minus. Tan inverse formula also we have learned, that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Earlier we have learned this, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now here if it is minus sign, then inside it will be minus, this will be plus. So today we will learn all the problem related to this formula, how to solve the questions if it is given in this form, sin inverse x, cos inverse x or tan inverse x, in this form. Here the first question it is given, that prove that tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 minus tan inverse 8 by 9 is equals to pi by 4. How to prove it? See here, the first two inverse trigonometric function if we take, it is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So LHS, if we choose tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 together, and then if we apply the formula, what we will get? Here we will get tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is the formula, and this I will write as it is. Now simplification is required. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5, LCM is 20. That means 5 into 3, 15, and 4 into 3, 12. 15 plus 12, 27. 27 by 20. So this is equals to tan inverse 27 by 20. 27 by 20 divided by, here also LCM 20. So 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9 means 11. 11 by 20 minus tan inverse 8 by 19. Now 20 cancel, so 27 by 11. So this is equals to tan inverse 27 by 11 minus tan inverse 8 by 19. Now here which formula we can apply? Here we can apply tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, that is equals to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. This is the formula, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. This formula we have applied. Now again simplification. So this is equals to tan inverse, LCM is equals to 11 into 19. So here we are getting 27 into 19 minus 8 into 11. In the denominator we are getting 11 into 19, 11 into 19 plus 27 into 8. Now we have to do the calculation. So what is coming? 27 into 19, it is coming 513. That is tan inverse 513 minus 88 divided by 209 plus 216. This 11 into 19, 11 into 19 cancelled. So here we have tan inverse 425. And here also we have 425, that is 1. So this is equals to tan inverse 1, and 1 means tan pi by 4. So this is equals to tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan inverse and tan will cancel, is equals to pi by 4 equals to RHS. So this proves our problem, that tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 minus tan inverse 8 by 19 is equals to pi by 4. In this way we have to solve. Now suppose if in the question 2 tan inverse form is given, then how to solve? 2 into tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 9 is equals to tan inverse 4 by 3. Here see the difference, in this side it is 2 is there. So if we apply this formula, 2 tan inverse form we will get. Then how to solve? 2 into tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 9, it is given, LHS. Now if we apply the same formula, this is equals to 2 into tan inverse 1 by 4 plus 2 by 9 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 9. So here if we solve, we will get 2 into tan inverse 36, 9 plus 8 divided by 36 minus 2 divided by 36. So 36 cancel, that is 2 tan inverse 17 by 34. That means 2 tan inverse half. Now this 2 tan inverse half we can change, because we know that the formula of 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So that formula we can apply here. So this is equals to tan inverse 2 into half by 1 minus half square. That is tan inverse, here 2 cancel 1 minus 1 by 4. That is tan inverse 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That is tan inverse 4 by 3. And this is given in the RHS. So equals to RHS. So here what formula we have applied? Here we know that the formula of 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. This is the formula. This formula we have applied. Whenever in the LHS it is given 2 tan inverse x form and we have to convert it in tan inverse form, then we have to apply this formula. Similarly, maybe in the LHS it is in the form of 2 tan inverse, and in RHS it is in sine inverse or cos inverse. Then you have to apply those respective formula. That is 2 tan inverse x is equals to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. That is the formula. 2 tan inverse x is equals to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equals to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, and 2 tan inverse x is equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So these are the formulas. So if the LHS it is in 2 tan inverse x form and RHS it is in this form, so we have to apply this formula. So that type of problem we will solve. Question number 3. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 9 is equals to half cos inverse 3 by 5. Now check here in the LHS it is in the form of tan inverse, but RHS we have cos inverse. So let us first solve LHS. LHS is tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 9. So this is equals to tan inverse 1 by 4 plus 2 by 9 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 9. So we have this is equals to tan inverse, LCM is 36, 9 plus 8 divided by 18 minus 1 by 18. So here we have tan inverse 17 by 36 into 18 by 17. 17 cancel, 18 2, so that is tan inverse half. Tan inverse half. This is the simplest form of LHS. Now we have to simplify this RHS. So RHS is half cos inverse 3 by 5. Now we do not have any formula for this. So whenever we do not have any formula, what we have to do, let this is equals to theta. Now if this is equals to theta, that means cos inverse 3 by 5 equals to 2 theta. 2 will be multiplied. Now if you move cos to this side, what you have? Therefore it means cos of 2 theta equals to 3 by 5. Cos 2 theta value is 3 by 5. Now we have one formula in trigonometry, tan theta in the form of cos 2 theta. What is that formula? We know that tan theta is equals to under root 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. In class 11 we have learned this formula. So this formula is very much required here, because here we know the value of cos 2 theta. This is the value. But we have to express that value in the form of tan inverse. So since we have to express it in tan inverse, that's why we have to express cos 2 theta in form of tan, or tan theta in form of cos 2 theta. So this is the value of tan theta. That means 1 minus cos 2 theta value is 3 by 5 by 1 plus 3 by 5. This is equals to under root 2 by 5 plus 3, 8. That is half. So which implies theta equals to tan inverse half. Now just check, here we have taken theta equals to half cos inverse 3 by 5 and we got theta equals to this, which implies half cos inverse 3 by 5 is equals to tan inverse half, which implies RHS equals to LHS. Proved. So in this way we have to solve. Another method is there to solve this problem, that in the beginning only you can multiply this half to this side. So the problem will change as 2 tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 9. This is equals to cos inverse 3 by 5. So this you have to prove. Now this value we know, we have already get 2 tan inverse. This is equals to tan inverse half. So we got this 2 tan inverse half. Now this is equals to 2 tan inverse x, means tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. That is tan inverse 4 by 3. Now here we have to express this tan inverse in cos inverse form, because RHS is in cos inverse. So what is that formula? Tan inverse we have to express as cos inverse. That means we know that if you let this as theta, tan inverse 4 by 3 equals to theta, then tan theta equals to 4 by 3. We know that tan theta equals to perpendicular by base, so perpendicular is 4 and base is 3. So what will be the hypotenuse? 4 square plus 3 square, that is root under 25 equals to 5. So hypotenuse is 5. So what will be the value of cos theta? Cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Now what will be the value of theta? So theta equals to cos inverse 3 by 5. Now theta equals to tan inverse 4 by 3. Again theta equals to cos inverse 3 by 5. So here we can write tan inverse 4 by 3 equals to cos inverse 3 by 5. So this is equals to RHS. So in this way also we can solve the problem. Whenever we forget this type of formula, in that case we will solve by this method. Many methods are there in inverse trigonometry to solve a particular problem. So whatever method is suitable for you, easy for you, you can do in that method. Okay, the next question, if the question is in combination of different inverse trigonometric function like this, prove that cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 is equals to tan inverse 27 by 11. Then how to solve? Since here the LHS, it is the combination of cos inverse and tan inverse, so we do not have any direct formula. So here in this case, either you have to convert this tan inverse into cos inverse, or you have to convert this cos inverse into tan inverse. Now which one you will do? If you convert this tan inverse into cos inverse, then cos inverse x plus cos inverse y you will get. So from that formula you will get cos inverse, but the RHS it is in tan inverse. So here you will convert this cos inverse into tan inverse. Now how to convert this? Whenever you are converting any inverse trigonometric function, that inverse trigonometric function you let it as theta. So let cos inverse 4 by 5 equals to theta. That means cos theta equals to 4 by 5. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. If this is theta, cos theta equals to 4 by 5 means base by hypotenuse. So base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So what will be the perpendicular? Root under 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16, that is 9. So root under 9 means 3. So perpendicular is 3. So what will be the value of tan theta? Tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base 3 by 4. That means theta equals to tan inverse 3 by 4. So cos inverse 4 by 5 means tan inverse 3 by 4. Therefore we have to prove, what we have to prove? Tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 is equals to tan inverse 27 by 11. This we have to prove, which implies LHS. Now if we solve, tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 means tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 5 is equals to tan inverse, here LCM is 20, 15 plus 12, 20 minus 9 by 20, 20 cancel. So here we get tan inverse 27 by 11. This is equals to RHS. So in this way we have to solve this type of questions. Okay, now if the question is given that to find the value of x or to solve certain equations, then how to find, then how to solve. So question number 5, it is given that solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equals to pi by 4. Solve means you have to find the value of x. Always remember that solve means you have to find the value of unknown variable. Whatever is given unknown variable, that value you have to find. Either it may be x or maybe y, anything. So here again we have to apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That is tan inverse 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 2x into 3x equals to pi by 4. If tan inverse comes from LHS to RHS, if you move to this side, here it is tan inverse, so here it will be tan. Therefore, from this line you can write 5x by 1 minus 6x square equals to tan pi by 4. If inverse comes LHS to RHS, it will become tan. If it is tan inverse, then tan. If it is sine inverse, then if this comes to this side, it will become sine, like this. Reciprocal of inverse trigonometric function is trigonometric function. Now tan inverse pi by 4 means 1. So this implies 5x by 1 minus 6x square equals to 1. Now cross multiply. By cross multiplying we will get 1 minus 6x square equals to 5x. Or from here you can write 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equals to 0. That is equals to middle term factor. If you do 6x square plus 6x minus 1 equals to 0. 6x common, x plus 1 minus 1 common, x plus 1 equals to 0, which implies x plus 1 into 6x minus 1 equals to 0. That means x equals to minus 1, or 6x minus 1 equals to 0 gives us x equals to 1 by 6. So this is the answer. So whenever the question is given that solve this or find the value of x, you have to solve in this way. Okay, now few questions are there where we have to use trigonometric identities. The question will be based on trigonometric formula. So how to solve those questions? So to solve those questions, first of all we have to learn all the trigonometric formula of class 11. Otherwise we cannot solve. This is the question. Prove that tan inverse this equals to x by 2. Now here, if you know the formula of 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x, then only you can solve this question. Otherwise you can't solve it. So LHS is given tan inverse root under 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Now remember, if outside it is tan inverse, then inside also you have to bring tan, so that tan and tan will cancel. Because in RHS nothing is there, only x by 2 is there. That means you have to cancel this tan inverse. Now if it is tan inverse, that means inside also you have to bring tan. Now from this expression, how to bring tan? Tan means in the numerator you have to bring sine, and in the denominator you have to bring cos. Sine theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Now we know that the formula of 1 minus cos x is equals to 2 sine square x by 2. Trigonometric formula on multiple angle. So that formula you have to apply here. 1 minus cos x means 2 sine square x by 2. And 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2. So here 2 cancelled. So this is coming tan inverse. Now if you bring this sine square out from the root, it will become sine. So sine x by 2 by cos x by 2. That is tan inverse tan x by 2. Now tan inverse and tan cancels, So this is equals to x by 2 equals to RHS. So in this way we have to prove this type of question. Here which formula we have applied? Here we have applied 1 minus cos x equals to 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x equals to 2 cos square x by 2. These two formula we have applied. So unless and until you know the formula, you cannot apply it. That's why before doing this type of question, first learn all the formula of class 11. Then only you can solve it. Next type is substitution method. Whenever in the question prove that tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3ax square equals to 3 tan inverse x by a. When these type of questions are given, here clearly x is the variable, but another constant scalar is given a. Then how to do? So in this type of question we have to substitute something. Now by seeing this expression, if you know the formula, you can substitute the value. But if you do not know any formula, you cannot substitute. One formula we have learned in class 11, that tan 3 theta is equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This formula we have learned. This is the formula of tan 3 theta. Now see, if you know this formula, you can relate this expression with this one. 3 tan theta. That means if you let x equals to a tan theta, if you take x equals to a tan theta, so what here it will come? A cube tan theta. And here x equals to a tan theta means a cube tan cube theta. So if a cube, if you take common, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta will be there. Similarly here also if you take x equals to a tan theta, here also a cube tan theta will come. So a cube, if you take common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta will come. So if you know this formula, then only you can substitute. That's why formulas are very much important. First you have to learn all the formula. So here we have to putting x equals to a tan theta. We have what we will get in LHS. We have tan inverse 3a square into a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a cube tan square theta. Now a cube, if you take common, tan inverse a cube, if you take common, here you will get 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, and here if you take a cube common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. A cube cancel. Now see inside one, this is the formula of tan 3 theta. So you can write this is equals to tan inverse tan 3 theta. Tan inverse tan cancel, so this is equals to 3 theta. Now what is the value of theta? Value of theta we will get from here. Here tan theta equals to x by a. So which implies theta equals to tan inverse x by a. So 3 theta means 3 tan inverse x by a. And this is only given in the RHS. So this is equals to RHS. Okay. In this way we can solve the questions of inverse trigonometric. So before solving the question of inverse trigonometric, first you have to learn all the formulas of trigonometric function. Then you start doing the formulas of trigonometric function as well as the formula of inverse trigonometric function. All the formula you learn first, then start solving these type of questions. Okay, in your next class we will solve few more questions of this type. Thank you students, have a nice day.